Meaning of flabbergasted.
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 Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted means to be extremely surprised or shocked. It is the feeling of being astonished beyond belief, often leaving one momentarily speechless or mentally stunned. The word may be used to describe a reaction to unexpected news, a shocking event, or an unusual situation that is difficult to comprehend. The emotion can be intense and overwhelming, eliciting a physical reaction such as a gasp or a raised eyebrow. Despite being a negative emotion, being flabbergasted can also lead to a sense of awe and wonder in response to something truly spectacular or amazing.